Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to learn physics derivations easily. First, always begin by understanding the fundamental principles behind the formula. Don't jump straight into the math. Next, break down the entire derivation into smaller, more digestible parts. This makes the process less intimidating and easier to follow. Finally, consistent practice is key to solidifying your knowledge and improving your recall. Before tackling any derivation, take time to truly grasp the underlying physics. Ask yourself, what physical laws are at play here? For instance, is it conservation of energy, Newton's laws, or perhaps electromagnetism? Review all related definitions and equations. A clear mental picture of the physical situation, like a ball rolling down a ramp, will significantly enhance your intuition and understanding. Once you understand the concepts, it's time to deconstruct the derivation. Look at each mathematical step individually and understand why it's there. Don't just memorize the sequence. Try working through the derivation from the beginning to the end, and then try to work backwards from the final formula to the initial principles. Then, challenge yourself to rederive the entire formula from memory at least 3 times. The final, and perhaps most crucial, step is consistent practice. Don't just learn the derivation, apply it. Solve a variety of problems that utilize the formula you've derived. A fantastic way to solidify your understanding is to explain the derivation process aloud to a friend or even to yourself. Regularly review your attempts, identify any recurring mistakes, and focus on improving those specific areas.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.